Science Industry. Now the news in detail. Social worker Mr. Balakrishna and Shetty on Saturday voiced their strong opposition to the Netravati diversion or the Yettinapalli project proposed by the government of Karnataka, claiming that the water to be diverted from Netravati river would be primarily utilized in regenerating the east-flowing river and dried up lakes in the parched district of Rayalaseema region.
Addressing a press conference on Saturday, Mr. Balakrishna and Shetty said that it was not possible that Yettinapalli and Netravati projects were distinct, as Yettinapalli was the main tributary of Netravati. The state government has tried to implement similar projects in the state before including a dam across Bhadra river and diversion of Varahi and Chakra rivers, which are tributaries of Sharavati, the results of which can be noted today, he said. He expressed his suspicions that Union Minister for Environment and Forest Mr. Veerappa Moily had given environmental clearances to the project solely for political gain. He also stated that he would extend his support to the other organizations who were also against the project if they approached him.
ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿಯ ಜಲಾನಯನ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಅದರ ನೀರು ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಬದಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಪೂರ್ವಾಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಏನು ಹೋಗುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಪೂರ್ವಾಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕೃತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹರಿಯುವ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಈ ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ ನದಿ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಅಭಯಾರಣ್ಯ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೃಂಗೇರಿ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುತ್ತದೆ ಗಂಗಾ ಮೂಲಕ. ಗಂಗಾ ಮೂಲದಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಜರಿಗಳು ಹೊರಡುತ್ತವೆ. 2 ಜರಿಗಳು ಉತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ತುಂಗಾ ಮತ್ತು ಭದ್ರಾ ನದಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತವೆ. ಪಶ್ಚಿಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವ ಒಂದು ಗಡಿ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮದ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ಸೇರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಗಂಗಾ ಮೂಲ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಪ್ರದೇಶ ಶೋಲಾ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿರ್ತದೆ. ಶೋಲಾ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗುಡ್ಡಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯ ಕೀಳು ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಅರಣ್ಯ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುವಂತಹ ಈ ನದಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹರಿದು ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಈ ಕಡೆಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಉಪಕಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ.
Askastara Makam Urus of Askastara Badriya Juma Masjid will be held from the 3rd of February tonight, said Mr. Ibrahim Askastara in a press release.
Speaking to the media people on Saturday, Mr. Ibrahim Askastara said that Askastara Makam Urus will be held from 3rd of February to the 9th. The valedictory ceremony will be held on 9th of February, while S.A. Abdul Hamid Latifa Seraje will preside over the program. Janab P.B. Abdul Razak M.L.A. Manjeshwar will inaugurate the valedictory program. Al-Hajj Abu Bakr Musliyar, C.M. Abu Bakr Latif, Mr. Ibrahim Dharimi, Mr. Abu Bakr Faizi and Sharif Madani Peruwai will be the chief guests at the program, he informed.
NPM ವೇಣುಗಳ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನವಾಗಿರುವ ವಿವಿಧ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಲಿದೆ. ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 4ರಿಂದ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಪ್ರವಚನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ನಡೆಯಿತು.
Mr. U.T. Mead Zahid Tangal, Mr. Abdul Hamid, Mr. Abu Bakr and others present at the press meet.
The 812 Foundation, which is not happy with the Court of Inquiry findings on the 2010 Air India Express crash at Kenjar near Mangalore Airport, has demanded a reinvestigation into the case.
The 812 Foundation, which is not happy with the Court of Inquiry findings on the 2010 Air India Express crash at Kenjar near Mangalore Airport, has demanded a reinvestigation into the case. Mr. Yashwant Shenay, the president of the foundation, who spoke to the reporters here on February 1st, Saturday, said the Court of Inquiry led by Air Marshal Bhushan Nilkant Gokhale has failed to expose the true reasons behind the air crash. He alleged the report had tried to shield the Airport Authority of India as far as the illegal structure at the end of the runway was concerned, and also the failure of the fire tender vehicles and rescue teams to rush to the scene of the crash soon after the mission. Mr. Shenay also demanded strict adherence of safety norms at airports and stressed the need for a thorough inquiry into the case of the Mangalore air crash and punishment to those found guilty in the case.
812 Foundation. The only one question that was there for me is like this. An aircraft starts from point A, lands at point B. Anywhere between A and B, if there is any technical flaw, anything goes wrong, the only consequence is all lives will be lost. Therefore, there are only two spaces for an aircraft to crash safely. If there is a safe crash, it could happen either at point A or at point B. Now look into this situation. An aircraft crashes at point B, almost all on board are dead. You please look into the history of air crashes. You will find Air France Flight 538, 2005 August. Crashed with 309 passengers. Not a single death. Exactly the same thing. It hits, it goes into a ravine, falls, not a single death. People evacuated in the 90 seconds. Fire and rescue reaches in 52 seconds. That is what is required. Were we prepared for it? We were supposed to be prepared for it. Were we prepared for it? Tangible structure was not a problem. Please see what is written there. Non-frangible localized structure in the overrun area, runway 24. Open violation of the regulation. People are enjoying. Do you think their lives changed? Our lives changed. Their lives did not change. They are still in corruption. Do you know how many cases are pending against the chairman of Airport Authority? And there they are. They are all lying because sanction has not been granted. CBI doesn't go further. They don't challenge if sanction is not granted. They don't go to the court and challenge it. In my case, sanction is not pending because of which the High Court has granted it. I have filed a reply. Everything will be available. Everything will be available to all of you on the website of 812 Foundation.
Hi, this is John Abraham and you're watching Coastal Times.
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಮಗನ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹಣ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್. ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನೇಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಭದ್ರವಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಚಿನ್ನವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಸಾಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಡ್ಡಿದರ, ಚಿನ್ನದ ಮೇಲೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಸಾಲ, ಕ್ಷಿಪ್ರ ಮಂಜೂರಾತಿ. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ ಚಿನ್ನಾಭರಣಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲ ವಿಶೇಷ ರಿಯಾಯಿತಿ ಬಡ್ಡಿ ದರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಗೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಭಾರತದಾದ್ಯಂತ.
Welcome to an amazing experience in taste and luxury. Amazon Fine Dine, the family restaurant with the all-time favorite multi-cuisine menu. Relaxing ambience, lip-smacking taste, best variety of preparations and service with a smile. Free home delivery within 3 kilometers. Amazon Fine Dine, multi-cuisine restaurant, 3rd floor, Empire Mall, MG Road, Mangalore.
Here's great news to the seafood lovers in Mangalore. The Coral Restaurant at the Ocean Pearl launches the exquisite and authentic Seafood Festival, serving an amazing range of freshly cooked seafood to relish your taste buds like never before. Come and be a part of this unique experience at the Coral Restaurant and treat yourselves with the lip-smacking and mouth-watering flavors of our seafood delicacies in the perfect ambience. From 12 to 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. onwards at your hotel, the Ocean Pearl.
ಥಾಮಸ್, ನಾವು ಬದುಕಿರೋದೇ ನಿನ್ ಟೀಯಿಂದ ಕಣ.
ಗುರು, ನಾಳಿದ್ದು ಹನಿಫಾ ತಂಗಿ ಮದ್ವೆ. ನಿಮ್ ಕಚೇರಿ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಣ್ಣ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಈಗ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡು. ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಸ್ಕಣ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಣ್ಣ, ಗಿಟಾರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೀವಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಗಿಟಾರ್ನೇ ಮಾರ್ಬಿಟ್ನ ಅವನು.
ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಚಿನ್ನದ ತರಹ. ಜೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಕಾಸ್, ಇದು ಚಿನ್ನದಿಂದಲೇ ಕೂಡಿದ ಬಂಧ.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Design at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Sri Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Business Management, Mangalore had organized their college day celebration on 2014, 31st of January at their college premises in Mangalore.
Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara College of Business Management, Mangalore had organized the college day celebrations on the 31st of January at their college premises in Mangalore. Stage program started with the prayer song. Ms. Swati Rao, President of Students' Council, welcomed the gathering.
The most authentic thing about us is our capacity to create, to overcome, to endure, to transform, to love and be greater than what we are. We have amongst us one such personality, Mr. Giridhar Shenoy, General Manager, Corporation Bank Head Office, Mangalore. A warm and a hearty welcome to you, sir.
Mrs. Aruna P. Kamath read the annual report of the college.
As on today, the total strength of a college is 1,417 students, out of which 551 are girls and 866 are boys. College has 35 full-time lecturers, 5 part-time lecturers, a qualified librarian, a physical director, and 22 full-time non-teaching staff, constituting a total of 65.
Achievers were honored on the occasion. Chief Guest Mr. K. Giridhar Shenoy, General Manager of Corporation Bank Head Office, Mangalore, who spoke on the occasion, urged the students to strive hard to achieve excellence and thereby contribute to national development.
So as you know, the education is the greatest strength and knowledge is the power. The students, I think you are the future of this country, as I told you, and you can make a lot of difference. And particularly in a situation where things are very conducive, unlike in the past. You have everything. You have the energy, you have the enthusiasm, you have the urge to excel, you have all the talents, and your outlook is different. But if you channelize these things in proper way, I think you can become very successful in your student life and also in your personal life.
Senior Consultant of Infosys Bangalore, Mr. Dheeraj Bangera, Mr. Arun F. Sequeira, College Director Dr. Devraj, and others were present. Finally, there was a cultural program. In the colorful show, students brought to limelight their creative and artistic talents. Sound and music, color and form, energy and rhythm mixed and mingled to provide the entertainment.
your watching Coastal Times initiative.
Mr. Prasad, now you are all right. ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಒಂದೇ, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಗಾಳಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇರೋ ಕಡೆ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಂತ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್? ಅದು ಈ ಸಿಟಿಲಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ?
ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿಯಾ?
2 ಎಕರೆ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 85% ಹಚ್ಚ ಹಸಿರಾದ ಓಪನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇರುವಂತ ಸೂಪರ್ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬದಿಯಲ್ಲೇ, ಕುಲಶೇಖರ ಚೌಕಿಲಿ. ಈಗಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಂಥ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿಗೋಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನೀವು?
ನಾನು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಗಿದೆ.
For exclusive bookings, contact Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, first floor, Netravati Complex, Red Building, near Zarodi Temple, Bangalore. For booking and more details, call 890-400-1234. Our website is www.propertydealindia.com. Property Deal Marketing and Project Management Company, the professional real estate consultants.
ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಂಪರೆ. ಶತಮಾನೋತ್ಸವದತ್ತ ದಿಟ್ಟ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ. ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ.
ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು. ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 10 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಎಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಸ್ವಸಹಾಯ ಗುಂಪುಗಳ ನಿರ್ವಹಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಸತತ 9 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ನಬಾರ್ಡ್ನಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಕೃಷಿ ಸಾಲದ ವಸೂಲಾತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸತತ 14 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ 100% ಸಾಧನೆ. 12 ಗಂಟೆ ಎಟಿಎಂ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಸಂಚಯ ಠೇವಣಿ ಯೋಜನೆ. ಠೇವಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ ವಿಮಾ ಯೋಜನೆ.
ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸಹಕಾರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಿಯಮಿತ. ಸದಾಶಿವ ಸಹಕಾರ ಸದನ, ಕೊಡಿಯಲ್ಬೈಲ್, ಮಂಗಳೂರು.
Garcia Designs, a dreamland of furniture. Decorate with exclusive range of furniture from Garcia. Now attractive variety of furniture with unique designs and ready to fit your living place. Exclusive range of furniture for ultra-modern houses and corporate offices. Have your dream design furniture. Get a new look in your office by exclusive range of office furniture. The designers offer your furniture needs under one roof. Patronize our exclusive imported furniture shop Garcia Designs at Garcia Design Complex, Vijay Church Cross Road, Vijay, Mangalore.
Tejaswini Hospital and SSIOT and ISO 9001-2008 certified Shantram Shetty Institute of Orthopedics and Traumatology, 200-bedded hospital established in 2004. Specialized in neurosurgery, cardiac surgery, urology, plastic surgery, vascular surgery, has 4 ultra-unique laminar floor operation theatres which blows virus and bacteria. SSIOT, with the expertise of 38 years of Dr. Shantram Shetty, not only treats patients but also is fully fledged for accident and emergency treatment with experts in the field. SSIOT is a place for advanced technology of any joint replacement of the body. Tejaswini Hospital, Kadri Temple Road, Kadri, Mangalore. Telephone 222-5777, 222-5994, 95, 96 and 97.
Today, one looks back with pride and wonder on the transformation that has taken place at Kankanadi, from a single dispensary to a super speciality hospital, from 20 beds to 1,050 beds, from 10 health workers to over 1,500 doctors, nurses, technical staff and over 2,000 students. Father Muller is a byword today for service and dedication, for specific burning of cancer cells at their locations. We have all precision equipments and instruments for both invasive and non-invasive surgical procedures and diagnosis, including high reduction X-ray, ultrasonic color Doppler, CT scan and MRI machines. The operation theatres are equipped with contemporary equipment, high-tech intensive care units, neo and postnatal units, burns unit, cath lab and cardiothoracic units are fully equipped. Our NICU is the largest in the city. The blood bank and cell separator and casualty are 24-hour services. In all, we have 32 super specialty services including chest and allergy, de-addiction and counseling, dialysis and mammography.
Kiran Technologies, as part of its corporate social responsibility, will launch an internet entrepreneurship training program free of cost for women who are interested in starting a business online, said Shanavas, CEO of Kiran Technologies.
Addressing a press meet on Saturday, Mr. Shanavas said this internet entrepreneurship training platform will be conducted in our Bangalore and Mangalore offices on weekends. We recognize the need to foster the spirit of entrepreneurship and financial independence in women. We are looking forward to train and assist hundreds of women from February onwards. Women who are interested can register on our website www.keentechnoto.com or call us on 8088923032, he informed, adding that the training program will be providing training platform into Keen Technoto. Hence, we at Kiran Technologies have decided as part of our corporate social responsibility to extend internet entrepreneurship training program free of cost to women by using our training platform Keen Technoto, he informed.
Where we have a global platform called Keen Technoto, we provide the entrepreneurship training program to start their own business online or to promote their products and services. By using this platform, part of our corporate responsibility, we decided to extend the training program for women free of cost. This will be conducted in our office in Mangalore as well as in Bangalore every weekend. And starting a business, the purpose of this training program is any women who would like to put their passion or hobby or their skills, based on that they can do products and services online. Compared to other businesses, usually the traditional business, it's easy to start an online business, and they can conceptualize an idea and we are help them to source a product or create a product and promote it globally. And this platform we normally extend to the outside the world for entrepreneurs, and we do workshops in the other major cities. But this particular workshop is designed only for the women to they can go to free of cost and they can start their own product selling website or e-commerce portal online. And we believe that hundreds of women can benefit this program, and we request all of you to spread this message.
Education-wise, Bangalore has good resources to get education. But sometimes if you live on a private hand to women, they want to, sometimes do responsibilities from family pressure or something. They were not able to pursue their dreams. But even if they have little knowledge of internet, we can provide them little workshops so that they can start business from their home, and that won't clash with their other responsibilities, and they can have their own, write their own business. Yeah.
May I ask, what are your opinions on this?
And as soon as they start their business platform, they either need the product ideas also from us, or they have some product ideas, like for example their hobbies or something they want to develop into their business. So we are planning to support them with website and developing website for them and providing different requirements we have for e-commerce. We are going to provide them, we have everything in place, and for them especially, we are going to get that for free.
Amrin Shanavas, Supriya Kutpat, Smita Kamath, Lasya and others were present at the press meet.
The Silver Jubilee of Sri Guru Devananda Samsthana will be held with various religious and cultural programs from February 6th to 9th, said Mr. Jitendra S. Kothari, Kolkata, in a press meet.
Informing the media people on Friday 31st of January, Mr. Jitendra S. Kothari Kallatka said that Hore Kanike will also be offered to the Samsthana on the occasion. Donation of 100 quintal of rice by Mangalore Seva Trust will be the highlight of the ceremony. The Hasiruvani will reach the Samsthana from Sri Mangala Devi Temple, Mangalore via PC Road, Kalladka, Puttur, Beltangadi, Sulya, Ukkuda, Karanaya and Kasargod Manjeshwar.
25 ವರ್ಷವನ್ನ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಪೂರ್ತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಚಾರ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಂತ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ 25ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ರಜತ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವವನ್ನ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಿಂದ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯ ರಜತ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ ಸಮಿತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಸಮಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಳೆದ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದಿನಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ತುಳುನಾಡ ಜಾತ್ರೆಯನ್ನ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿ ಇವಾಗ 2014ನೇ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 6ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿಂದ 9ನೇ ತಾರೀಕಿನ ತನಕ ವಿಜಯ ರಜತ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಅನೇಕ ಧಾರ್ಮಿಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಭಕ್ತರು ಆಗಮನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ 25 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಅನ್ನದಾನದ ಸೇವೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಅನ್ನದಾನದ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನ ನಾಡು ನಾವು ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿರುವ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಸುಮಾರು 100 ವಾಹನಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ 3 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಗಳಿಂದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ, ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ 3 ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹಸಿರುವಾಣಿ ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಸಮಿತಿಯನ್ನ ರಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಸಹಕಾರದಿಂದ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಾರೀಕು 2 ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 2014 ಆದಿತ್ಯವಾರ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಮಂಗಳಾದೇವಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ವಠಾರದಿಂದ ಈ ಹಸಿರು ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಯ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಂತಹ ಮಹನೀಯರು ಮಂಗಳಾದೇವಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಮಾನಾಥ ಹೆಗಡೆಯವರು ಮತ್ತು ಕಟಿಲೇಶ್ವರಿ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಲಕರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವದಾಸ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅನೇಕ ಇತರ ಸಮಾಜದ ಗಣ್ಯರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಈ ಹೊರೆ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಗೆ ಮೆರವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Mr. Kadir Namrit Shetty, Mr. Jayant J. Kotiyan, Mr. Venugopal Marlam, Devi Prasad Shetty, and others were present at the press meet.
The Mangalore University has announced that its 32nd annual convocation will be held in Mangala Gangotri campus at Konaji at 11:30 a.m. on Monday, February 24th. Dr. K. Radhakrishnan, chairperson of the Indian Space Research Organization, will deliver a keynote address in form of this. That's all for now. See you with more news on the same channel at the same time. Till then, goodbye.